Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today this is an exciting video for me and it wouldn't be possible without you. Thank you guys so very much for using my Maniology code. It has helped me reach the purple tier in the ambassador program. Thank you Maniology for the gifts. It is always been a pleasure to work with you guys and continue to work with you. I absolutely love Maniology. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. And I just want to share with you what I received in my purple tier ambassador gift. So as always, you get an awesome pin to commemorate the tier that you've reached. Here is the pin that I received this time. You did it. You earned purple. It's got a cute little butterfly purple pin. And I'm going to display that with my other pins. I received the Maniology Crystal Clear Stamper and Scraper set. And this is one of their monocle stampers. You get the mini scraper. I love these mini scrapers with that, and then the monocle stamper, which looks like this. These stampers are amazing. So you get a monocle stamper. I also received these really awesome glow-in-the-dark stars and moon stickers. These are so awesome. I absolutely love these. Cannot wait to use these. I love glow in the dark. Of course it's daylight, it's a little hard to see, but they do glow in the dark. Really awesome. The last gift I received is a stamping plate, and this is plate M635, and this is a part of their Y2K line. So how cool is this plate? It's such a vibe. I was born in the 80s, grew up in the 90s and the early 2000s. So the plate is such a vibe for me. I absolutely love the smiley, the butterfly, all of it. Like even these like little rings here. All of it. It's such a nice plate. I cannot wait to use it. So again, thank you Maniology for the amazing gifts. Thank you all for using my Maniology code. I will have my code and an affiliate link linked in the description box below, so definitely check that out. I thank you guys so very much for helping me reach the purple tier. As always, thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.